right, I am here at Dollar Tree to check out all the cool finds today. All right, so the first thing we see at this location is the Shore Living Collection, and it is pretty well stocked. They have some very cute starfish, some little baskets, these bulbs that I enjoy. Relax. We all need some more relaxation in our lives.
I'll see what they have. I'm just in the.
And even these really pretty balls. Some little signs. Seashells. And they even have a dish drying mat, nautical pins, little fish, some jute twine, sand dollars. I need vitamin C. They have tins, and that's not part of the collection. These types of tins, from sea to shining sea, some cute cutout pieces, some hooks. I mean, you could do a whole house, like a whole Airbnb with these decorations, and nobody would ever know they were from Dollar Tree. Maybe we'll get to the point where Dollar Tree is a great brand and everybody wants you to know it's from Dollar Tree. Are you ready for the 4th of July? We are definitely getting ready here at Dollar Tree. So we have some cute paper trays, hot dog holders, fringe banner, chair cover. We have bowls that are in the shape of a star. We have cute sort of soda cans, soda cups. Oh, look at that. I love that. My favorite emblem of the 4th of July is like the bomb pop. I love that. And then this is super pretty beads. Also beads you can wear. We have paper lanterns, fairy wings. Imagine wearing this to the parade, wearing fairy wings. So cute. Little trays, even flower necklaces, bandanas, patriotic bow, some glittery decor. Wow, look at that. Is this getting you excited for the 4th of July? I love the 4th of July because of my hometown parade, which was always a really fun thing to go to when I was a kid. Oh, look at this. They have a little trailer that says home of the free because of the brave. Okay. Little twist on that. Land of the free, home of the brave. Very fun. Even LED lights you can light up that have some US emblems in it. And even this headband. You can wear that to the party or the barbecue. Some ribbon. Very cute. And then even these buckets here on top that look like solo cups. That's fun. So this is a collager or a card maker's dream. The paper pack, which is brand new. I've never seen this before, where they have offcuts of paper, 200 grams. They're selling for $1.25. You can see they have mats already cut. If you like scrapbooking, these would be great options. Very fun for paper ephemera. Make your own paper ephemera. And look at all the different options they have. Super cool. And the other piece that I wanted to show you is this. That's right, mini burlap flags. So anytime you see a shape of this like a house, it can be turned over and turned into a dreidel. If you're into any Jewish crafts, this is a great option. Any shape like a house can be turned over for Hanukkah and turned into a dreidel. I just wanted to highlight these mostly for the stencils, which I think are so cute. I love the idea of using stencils to help you with your crafting or making any sort of signage, working in your journal, anything like that. I think is really cool. So they have a set of stencils here, 36 pieces for $1.25. So it looks like they're doing DVD or Blu-ray movies at 2 for $1, and oh my gosh, the Nick and Jessica Variety Hour, I don't know how you can pass this up. If you are a Y2K fan, this is like gold right here. So definitely take your time to go through the different DVDs at Dollar Tree and get some really cool media that you cannot find. Look at this, even Doctor Who, Series 10 Part 1. 50 cents. You cannot find these things on YouTube. You cannot find these things on any of the streaming services. Sometimes the only solution is to have your own. Tell me where you're going to find this. Love it. Look at this. BET presents LL Cool J. Tell me where you're going to find that. Unreal. Get thee to Dollar Tree. So we can find cool DIY supplies in all of the sections of Dollar Tree, and I just wanted to show you the really great adhesive section that we see here. These adhesives come very, very well recommended. These hooks come well recommended. We have masking tape, we have duct tape, different sorts of packing tape, which we can use for transfers. And then even here we have different tiles that could be used in different types of DIYs, all the different tools, even all the way up to the gloves that you could use if you do need them. Buckets you could use for tie-dyeing. We have shoe covers here for cleaning or anything that you may need. We have jute twine here as well. Velcro, which we can use to hang photos, but we can also use that in our DIYs, right? Whether we're doing a closure on some sort of journal, we could use that to sew onto different sewing projects, right? There's many different uses for these with DIY. And even looking all the way down to the bottom, we have paint rollers, we have the caulk, which is very, very helpful. And I've used that, definitely works for home DIY projects. This here is a wire set. I'm thinking use this to make jewelry. Why not use it to wrap things, right? We have carabiners, which are very helpful to have around the house. Clamps, you can use that to clamp your projects together. We have tape, which is the electrical tape. Very inexpensive here at Dollar Tree, and you can use that in many, many different DIY projects. So even this wonderful tape measure that you can carry with you, have it on hand, and even a level. If you're making a photo wall, a level is really important to have on hand in this cord. Why not use this cord for macrame? There's so many different options of what you can do with the items you see at every aisle of Dollar Tree.